It's lunchtime and it's sunny. Let's go camping.
What are this family doing? They're having a picnic.
They've got a lot of food. What have they got?
They've got fruit. They've got orange juice.
They've got bread too.
Their picnic looks delicious.
Look, what are they doing now? They're playing music. They've got a guitar. They're singing too.
But look, it's night time.
This family are camping too. But they haven't got a guitar. They've got a campfire.
They're making s'mores.
They toast the marshmallow on the fire.
Then they eat the soft, hot marshmallow with chocolate and graham crackers. Yummy!
Camping is fun, and camping food is delicious. What's your favourite camping food?